Welcome to the fascinating world of brick production, where humble raw materials transform into sturdy building blocks. Our journey begins with abundant clay and limestone deposits, the foundation of brick making. Miners extract clay and limestone from the earth, bringing them to the surface for processing. Crushers break down large chunks, creating a fine mixture of clay and limestone, setting the stage for the next phase. In the mixing chamber, the blended clay and limestone undergo a precise process, creating a homogeneous mixture. Molding machines shape this mixture into individual brick forms, each destined for a specific purpose in construction. Freshly molded bricks enter drying chambers, where carefully controlled conditions extract excess moisture. This crucial step ensures the bricks achieve the right consistency and durability. Now the dried bricks make their way to the kilns, massive ovens where they undergo intense heat. The firing process solidifies the bricks, transforming them into robust, long-lasting building materials. Quality control experts meticulously inspect each brick, ensuring they meet rigorous standards for strength, size, and appearance. Only the finest bricks proceed to the next stage of our production journey. The approved bricks move to the finishing area where they receive final touches. This includes sorting, packaging, and palletizing, preparing them for transport to construction sites around the world. And there you have it, the incredible journey from raw materials to finished bricks. These unassuming blocks born from the earth play a crucial role in constructing the structures that shape our communities. Brick by brick, we build a stronger future. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the fascinating world of brick production. Until next time, remember that every brick has a story, and it begins in the heart of the earth.